How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. I'm going to carry on with the dessert series where I make my favourite recipes. I've done key lime pie, which is amazing, and now we're going to head off to the UK for some apple crumble and custard. Ooh, apple crumble and custard. Abigail, apple crumble and custard. Apple crumble and custard? It's not very nice. Yes, we're going to be doing apple crumble with custard. You've got to have it with custard. It's nice with ice cream, but custard is for me. Not exactly sure where it came from. I think it was invented World War II. I think. Anyway, I used to have this for school dinners, and that's the only thing I used to look forward to, was having apple crumble and custard for school dinners, and that's it. I think I was the only person who looked forward to school dinners. I'm easily pleased. You don't have to make this with apples. I quite like making it with blackberries and raspberries. Really, really nice. So we're going to head over to the UK, and I'm going to show you how to make apple crumble and custard. And slap a like on this video, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, so if you can help me out, that would be amazing. Just to get to 100,000, like I said in my last video, I'm about 4,000 off. So if you can help me, that would be amazing. So slap a like on this video, subscribe, and enjoy. And I hope you make this, because it's absolutely delicious, and it's so simple to make as well. Thanks, guys. For my apple crumble, I'll be using Granny Smiths. These tangy beauties are crisp, firm, juicy, great in salads, baking and making apple juice. First, peel. Remove the core and cut into bite-sized pieces. Add to a pan. Followed by sugar, flour, cinnamon and lemon zest. Now cook on a low heat until the apples have softened, about 5 minutes. You still want the apples to have some texture. When softened, put to one side. For the crumble, add flour to a bowl, followed by oats. These give the crumble some great texture. And sugar. Give everything a good stir. Add cold unsalted butter. Now rub everything together with your fingertips until it resembles breadcrumbs. At the end, which is optional, I like to add some honey. Next, transfer the apples to a baking dish and sprinkle over the crumble. Now place in the oven and cook. To make the custard, add milk to a pan, followed by cream and a vanilla pod. Slice down the centre of the pod. Using the dull side of your knife, gently scrape out the seeds. Now bring the milk and cream to a light simmer. Next, in a large bowl, add sugar to the egg yolks, followed by cornstarch. Now whisk until pale yellow. Now gradually pour the hot milk mixture into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. pass the liquid through a sieve. Now heat gently, stirring with a wooden spoon until thick. When the custard coats the back of the spoon, it's ready. So there you have it, a delicious dessert that takes me back to my childhood. Thanks guys. Hello guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there's some videos here that you might like related to the video I've just done, or there might not be. But what I want you to do is subscribe, like the video, click that bloody bell. You'll be doing me a favour. So yeah, and enjoy some videos here. I've got a few videos up here. So just click on them and enjoy. Thanks guys.